Nowadays, any profession can't ignore new technologies, especially filmmakers, who should be on the wave of AI, apps and new tech. Today I will share with you my top 13 apps that I use or starting to use right now. And if you are new here, my name is Pudich, and on this channel I'm sharing my decade experience in directing and independent filmmaking. First and probably most useful one is Cadrage, or any viewfinder apps that you can find. Basically, you can choose camera and lenses which you're shooting with and see how it looks like, how it's in the frame, what's the aspect ratio. Then make a picture and share it with your client, DOP and other crew. Very useful, very handy, gives you a lot of opportunities, and also you can, share it in social media, what location you found and how it looks like. ShotLister is a very easy and comfort app for tracking shots for a small production crew or one-man band. You have your ideas, what you need to take on a shooting day, and then just stick what you have accomplished. Very easy, very handy, and gives you opportunity to track what you've done. SunSeeker. Yeah, boy, I use it all the time. Not only it's impressive for clients and crew when you take your phone and show position of the sun in needed time of the day, it makes really help for the scheduling. It costs I think $15-20. Highly recommend. Use it all the time. Previs for Storyboard. I used it once as a free version when I needed to present client cool storyboard for commercial to take the job, and it was brilliant. Really, it overjumped expectation of the client, overjumped my expectations. It's fantastic for presentations and better understanding the shots, especially your location in a pretty close space. I for sure will buy a subscription for my next commercial project, and I recommend you as well to try. Super nice, super cool, but you need to spend some time to understand how it works. Milenote. A pretty great way to organize your project with a big freedom for a free version. You can organize films, ads, MVs, put a mood board, photos, descriptions, whatever you want. It works great, and as soon as I will exceed my free limitation version, I will purchase the subscription, because really it's make your like a board for your all the project, and you can dive inside your project, the special boards, comments, what you're thinking of. Very nice, very useful, highly recommend. Notion. Basically, the text for this episode I was writing in Notion. It's a very cool free tool to organize your stuff and make notes. It's not that simple, but after spending some time to learn it, you definitely will not go elsewhere. You probably heard about it, many people speaks about. I can recommend it, it's very useful. Storyboard. I'm not that good in drawings, as you can see. That's why when I have a good commercial project, I always go to a professional storyboard person. But when it's about indie projects or personal projects, you need to draw it yourself. Before I was drawing in special book from Amazon, but it was not really easy to share this with the crew. So if you have a tablet with pen, iPad or whatever else, the Storyboard is perfect simple tool to make a storyboard yourself and share it with people. To Do is the easiest need to do app, where I put my everyday tasks to not forget. I put 3, 4, 5 tasks, including to buy some grocery and do some work stuff, sending emails or whatever, or answering. Very easy, very handy, just works well for me. Hive is simpler than Notion and have nice design and also free. I mix these two applications, Hive and Notion, and have my meetings and things to do in big scale here in Hive. Studio Binder is the top app if you are working with big scripts. You will have a script app and a lot of options of working with it. Breakdowns of location, props, characters, shots, angles. It's really 20 in one app. But it costs pretty much, so consider it if you have a budget. It make really sense to have it. ShotDeck. I did the subscription when it was in beta version, so I still have $50 per year payment for an amazing tool for project development and inspiration. Now it's so huge and developed, so it for sure good investment, $100 per year for the subscription. You can find there a lot of screenshots and frames from famous movies. You can make a search by mood, color, character, location, whatever. It's just great for developing the project and to present something for a client if you need like a visualization, mood board, storyboard. Saturation is a new app that I've just discovered a week ago. Basically, it's easy and good looking way to make a budget for the clients, not in Excel. So you can make a budget in a very nice visual way and then just send the link to a client or your producer or whoever needs to revise your budget, and they can do it in real time. You can change it in real time and deal just, I don't know, by Zoom call. You changing everything and you together see there is the immediate result, and you don't need to send each other 10 times Excel file that was changed in version 20, version 25. 13 app is a script writing app. You can choose yourself which script writing app you will use. I personally use Final Draft because I had a discount from the award of my movie and I bought it. Before I was using Fade In, that is a more free version. Also there is a nice Celtics and many others. You just check. My choice is Final Draft, that is like an industry standard. Also, if you have subscription on Studio Binder, they have fantastic and really nice script writing app. So if something was useful for you, like and subscribe. See you next week.